Consider yourself enjoying yourself at the beach when you get a message telling you that you have earned $30. Another $30 is provided to you a short while afterwards. You can finally realize your ambition with the assistance of this fantastic opportunity that I'm about to present you. You don't need any specialized skills or technological understanding because everything is quite basic. At the end of this video, I'll demonstrate a free, fully automated application that will take care of everything so you may continue to receive payments, legally employing a $300 million covered platform that few people are aware of allows all of this to be accomplished in the next few minutes. I'll reveal everything to you, and I want you to pay close attention so that you may start experiencing the freedom and earning money you've always earned. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. In order to access this website on the Microsoft Bing platform, I want you to go to bing.com first. With the help of Bing, you can use a variety of search phrases to find information online. It does many of the same tasks as Google. Entering articles into the search bar should be your next action. Microsoft Bing then automatically finds numerous articles based on your search terms. View the article search results below, then click through to some of the articles you may find on Bing. Let's take this one as an illustration. By scrolling down, you can read the entire article that we discovered on Bing. The next step is to show you another website, SEOclerks.com. Writing and uploading articles to this website can earn you money. You won't need to produce any articles yourself because I'll show you how to quickly copy and paste content from other people's Bing articles at the end of this video. This website will pay you without you having to do anything. You don't even need to be able to write or speak English fluently, let alone have any specialized skills. This technique, one of the best, has never been discussed. Please take a look at these examples. Writing articles is a great way to get money online, and SEOclerks.com will pay you for it. In a minute, I'll walk you through setting up a free account using Microsoft Bing to make your first $30, and showing you how to get paid even if you don't write anything at all. However, let me first give you a brief introduction to Conquer.io, another website where you may earn money from free Bing posts. More options to make money online using Bing articles can be discovered here when you search for content creation. One thing about Conquer that I want you to be aware of is that they pay somewhat less than SEO Clerks. You may still register on SEOclerks.com and Conquer.io to copy and paste Bing articles and get money from these two websites. In step 3, I'll begin showing you how to copy and paste Bing content to begin making money. Returning to the Bing homepage and selecting News from the menu that appears when you click on the 3 small dots will take you to a variety of news stories and articles that are available on the Bing platform. Politics, health, or news and entertainment are typically among the newest and most talked about issues. You can copy and paste a number of article and topic ideas from the news area. I want you to go to another website called easyinarticles.com if you want to focus on the business categories or business articles on the Bing website. The majority of the content on this website is copyright-free and can be used by you as your own. To access that area of the website, simply click the business category below. You may see article categories as you scroll down below. You are free to copy any of these articles without breaking the copyright rules. Look at each of these titles. With a minor modification that I'll show you how to make, each one is a polished, finished product that you can sell on Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com. You can download tens of thousands of different articles for free from our website and sell them on Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com. But you cannot just copy and paste those articles because no one will buy them. In order to help you turn such articles into new, original ones, I'd like to share with you a specific technique and some free software. Then to make money on Conquer and SEOclerks.com, just copy and paste those Bing articles. Say for example, that clicking on this article will take you to a website where you can copy the full content and paste it. I'll show you how to use prepostco.com, an amazing tool that is completely free. Simply scroll down till you see Article Rewriter from there. There, you can copy and paste the text into the appropriate box to have the entire article automatically rewritten and given a distinctive voice. Scroll down below to find the section where you must copy and paste the articles. You need to go back to the articles, highlight everything, and then select Copy. The complete content should be pasted into the box when you return to the software. As you can see, these articles contain 512 words. Since we get to pick the language, let's stick with English for the time being. When you scroll down below, you can see that they completely rewrote the content to make it new, fresh, and different in less than 5 seconds. These highlighted phrases and sentences represent all of the adjustments that they made for us. All you have to do is find the green Rewrite Article button down below, which will enable the software to begin completely rewriting the article. Then click Continue after entering your username, email address, and password. It is fairly simple. The second website, Conquer, has a very similar sign-up process, but you can start making money there by simply hitting the Join button at the top. Just fill out the form and click the green Sign Up button. You don't need to have any skills or put in any work. All you have to do is visit Easy in Articles and search any Bing categories you'd like. You can browse through the business, entertainment, or news categories to find a variety of items that you can copy and paste. Simply pick out every word in the text, copy it all, paste it into the prepostco.com software, and then click the Rewrite button to have it all redone into an entirely new, original piece. For newbies, copying and pasting articles is a very amazing way to start making money online. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.